In today's fast-paced digital world, the quest for financial independence has never been more crucial. Welcome to our video on the smartest ways to make an income and generate money online. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent seeking flexibility, or someone simply wanting to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, this video is designed for you. We'll explore a variety of online income opportunities that cater to different skills and interests. From freelancing and e-commerce to affiliate marketing and online courses, there's something for everyone. You'll learn how to leverage your unique talents and passions to create a sustainable income stream that fits your lifestyle. But why is this important? In an era where traditional job security is fading, having multiple income sources can provide not just financial stability, but also the freedom to pursue your dreams. Imagine being able to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and build a life that aligns with your values. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and discover innovative ways to earn money online, stick around. We promise to deliver valuable insights and actionable tips that will empower you on your journey to financial independence. Freelancing, your skills for cash. Freelancing has emerged as a lucrative way to earn money online, allowing individuals to turn their skills into cash. With the rise of the gig economy, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have become go-to places for freelancers to showcase their talents and connect with clients. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or social media expert, these platforms provide a marketplace where you can offer your services to a global audience. One of the keys to success in freelancing is building a strong portfolio. Your portfolio acts as your calling card, showcasing your best work and demonstrating your expertise to potential clients. A well-curated portfolio not only highlights your skills, but also builds trust, making clients more likely to hire you. To get started, take some time to identify your unique skills and think about how you can market them effectively. Are you great at creating engaging content? Perhaps you have a knack for web design or digital marketing? Whatever it is, make sure to present it in a way that appeals to your target audience. By leveraging your skills and utilizing the right platforms, freelancing can open doors to financial freedom and flexibility. So, why not take the plunge and start your freelancing journey today? Affiliate marketing, earning through promotion. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Essentially, you partner with a company like Amazon Associates and share unique affiliate links to their products. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's a win-win situation. Companies get more exposure, and you earn money without having to create your own products. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choosing the right products to promote is crucial. Look for items that align with your interests and resonate with your audience. For example, if you have a blog about fitness, promoting workout gear or supplements would be a natural fit. Researching product reviews and trends can also help you identify what's popular and likely to sell. Building an audience through content creation is equally important. Whether you're blogging, vlogging, or using social media, providing valuable and engaging content will attract followers who trust your recommendations. Share your personal experiences with the products you promote and be transparent about your affiliate relationships. This authenticity fosters trust and encourages your audience to make purchases through your links. With dedication and the right strategies, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. Online courses, share your knowledge. Creating and selling online courses has become a profitable venture for many individuals looking to share their knowledge and expertise. With platforms like Udemy and Teachable, it's easier than ever to design, market, and sell your courses to a global audience. These platforms provide user-friendly tools that allow you to create engaging content, from video lectures to quizzes and downloadable resources. To maximize your success, it's essential to identify a niche and understand your audience. What are you passionate about? What skills do you possess that others might want to learn? By focusing on a specific area, you can tailor your course to meet the needs of your target audience. Conducting market research can help you discover what topics are in demand and how you can differentiate your course from others. Once you've identified your niche, leverage your expertise to create valuable content. Share your unique insights, practical tips, and real-world examples to make your course engaging and informative. Remember, the more value you provide, the more likely your students will recommend your course to others. By combining your knowledge with the right platform and a clear understanding of your audience, you can turn your expertise into a sustainable source of income through online courses. So why not take the leap and start sharing your knowledge today? E-commerce selling products online. Starting an e-commerce business is an exciting way to generate income by selling products online. With the rise of digital shopping, entrepreneurs have more opportunities than ever to reach customers around the globe. One of the first decisions you'll need to make is whether to use drop shipping or hold inventory. Drop shipping allows you to sell products without maintaining stock. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. This model minimizes upfront costs but can lead to lower profit margins. On the other hand, holding inventory means purchasing products in bulk and storing them yourself, which requires more initial investment but can offer higher profits per sale. To set up your online store, platforms like Shopify and Etsy are excellent choices. Shopify provides a comprehensive e-commerce solution with customizable templates and payment options, making it easy to create a professional-looking store. Etsy, on the other hand, is perfect for handmade or unique items, allowing you to tap into a niche market. However, having a great product is just the beginning. Implementing effective marketing strategies is crucial to drive traffic to your store. Utilize social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to attract potential customers. By combining a solid e-commerce platform with smart marketing tactics, you can build a successful online business and generate a sustainable income. Investing, grow your wealth online. Online investing has become a smart way to generate income and grow your wealth in today's digital landscape. With platforms for investing, anyone can start trading stocks with just a few clicks. In addition to traditional stock trading, cryptocurrency investing has gained immense popularity. Many different platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. While the potential for high returns is enticing, it's essential to understand the volatility and risks associated with cryptocurrencies. Regardless of the investment avenue you choose, conducting thorough research and implementing risk management strategies are crucial. Familiarize yourself with market trends, company performance, and economic indicators to make informed decisions. Diversifying your portfolio can also help mitigate risks, ensuring that you're not overly exposed to any single investment. By leveraging online platforms and staying informed, you can navigate the world of investing effectively. With patience and diligence, online investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Content creation. Monetizing your passion. Content creation has become a dynamic way to monetize your passion, especially on popular platforms like YouTube and TikTok. These platforms offer various monetization options for creators, including ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and fan donations. For instance, YouTube allows creators to earn money through the YouTube Partner Program, where ads are displayed on their videos. TikTok creators can also benefit from brand partnerships and the TikTok Creator Fund, which pays users based on their video performance. However, success in content creation requires more than just posting videos. Consistency is key. Regularly uploading content helps keep your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. Additionally, actively engaging with your audience through comments, live streams, and social media can foster a loyal community that supports your work. Finding your niche is equally important. Whether it's cooking, gaming, fashion, or educational content, focusing on a specific area allows you to attract a targeted audience. Authenticity is crucial. Viewers are drawn to genuine creators who share their true selves and passions. By combining consistent content creation with audience engagement and a clear niche, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. So, if you're ready to share your creativity with the world, dive into content creation and start monetizing your passion today. In this video, we explored a variety of methods for generating income online, each offering unique opportunities to achieve financial independence. We began with freelancing, highlighting platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can leverage your skills to earn money. Next, we delved into affiliate marketing, discussing how promoting products through platforms like Amazon Associates can lead to passive income. We also covered the potential of creating and selling online courses. Additionally, we examined the world of e-commerce, comparing dropshipping with holding inventory, and discussed how platforms like Shopify and Etsy can help you set up your online store. We touched on online investing, emphasizing the importance of research and risk management. Finally, we looked at content creation on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, where monetization options abound for those who engage their audience consistently. As you explore these opportunities, remember the key takeaways. Identify your niche, stay consistent, and engage with your audience. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of online income generation.